default templates that come with Joomla come with vertical menus. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch those to horizontal menus. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday 218. Yes, that's what I have written. Here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, so if you're looking for someone for short-term help or longer-term hire, drop me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk about that. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla, and you'll get your first month free. All right, so let's turn our attention to the screen right away, and we'll get right into this. So Terry emailed me and said he's been watching my videos, and he's looking for one on how to change the menu that is vertical in the default Joomla template to horizontal. And he says that right now the vertical menu is in position 7, and he wants to move it to position 1, be horizontal. Now I did email him, and it sounds like he's using Joomla 3 and the Protostar template. And so I'm going to show you how to do that, Terry and others looking for this. But first, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing in Joomla 4, because on August the 17th, 2023, when Joomla 3 is no longer in effect, people watching for this will probably want to see it first on the video. So we're going to go to Joomla 4 first, and then we'll do it on Joomla 3. So here we are on a very plain Joomla 4 install. You'll see I have added a bunch of links to the main menu. And in order for us to move them over to the top here to a horizontal place, there's a couple things that we need to do. First of all, we need to know what module position is up here for us to assign them to. And to do that, we can go into the back end of the site and go to the template area. Now to get there, here's what I did. I went System, Site Templates, Options, and then we're going to turn on this Preview Module Positions. And basically, once this is activated, we can put $TP for template position equals 1 at the end of a URL, and it'll show us the template positions on that particular template. For instance, so we'll save this, and now we'll go to that home page, and we're going to, again, at the end, put $TP for template equals 1. And we will hit enter. And now we see here the names of the different module positions as they appear. We can see the different modules that are assigned to those positions as well. We see that we have one at the top of Cassiopeia, which is the default template for Joomla 4, and we have a position called menu. So what we're going to do is take our menu module that is currently over here on the right hand side, assigned to sidebar right, and we're going to assign it to menu, and hopefully these links will just go horizontal. So let's do that. We're going to go back into the back end. Now first of all, let's turn off this template position thing for security reasons. Don't leave it set. Once you know what you're looking for, turn that off. So we will uncheck that. We'll go save and close. Now we're going to go to System, and we will go down to Site Modules, way down here at the bottom. And we only have 3 modules on this, this initial install. Here is the main menu. We click on Main Menu. And now over here on the right-hand side, sidebar right, we're going to put in the module position we just discovered, and it is Menu. And there we go. Whoops, let's see, Menu. We'll hit Enter. Now we will save, and let's go to our home page, and we will just refresh without the template positions. They won't even show up because we turned that off, but we'll go like that. And there you have it. In the menu position, we now have the menu that was over here, the menu modules up here, and it's automatically going horizontally. And that's how you do that in Joomla 4. Now let's see how to do that in Joomla 3. It's a little bit different and not as easy, but it's not complicated. Here we are on a Joomla 3 very basic install. We've got the links here in the side menu. So now let's see what menu positions that we have available here. Now, of course, Terry said he wanted to put in position 1, and that's at the top. But just to see how to do this in Joomla 3, here we are in the extensions and templates area, already there. In the top right, go to options, and then preview module positions under templates. We will say enabled and save. And now we can just go question mark TP for template positions equals 1. Although the way I remember this is toilet paper equals 1. It just works in my mind. We hit enter. Here's all the positions. And right now we don't have one called menu, but we do have position 1. So we will go back here. We will go to turn off preview module positions. Turn that off. Save and close. All right. We'll go to extensions and modules. Again, we only have a few here. And here's the main menu. Now, if we go over here to the position and change this to 1, all right, well, I'm just going to type 1 and then we'll filter down to there, position 1, and save. Here's what happens. We will refresh this page. You end up still with it vertical, and that's not what we want. So what you need to do is do an extra step, and it's the secret sauce in this case. You'll go to advanced, and in this field that's menu class suffix, you're going to do this. You're going to click in there, and you're going to hit the space bar. Put in a space, and then type NAV-PILLS. You really need the space, and I understood this once why you need the space, but I've forgotten. But it doesn't matter. It'll work whether you know why you need it there or not. Space nav-pills. All right. Now we'll save that. And we will go here. We will refresh. And there you have it. Your menu is now across the top of the page. It is horizontal. And you can continue on and change the look of it and do the CSS as you want. So there you have it. In the default templates for Joomla, how to make your menu horizontal instead of vertical. Hey, I hope that this was helpful for you. If it was, please give the video a like. It will help others to find it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Ring the bell to get notifications, and that will be great. It will encourage me. So until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.